All right, so today morning we are going off to Mount Sima, and there's no other way to get there.
Yeah, unless you take taxi, but remember taxis are expensive, so if you can meet some friends and share a taxi, best bet.
Or jog for 3 hours, you're more than welcome. But sorry guys, I don't have that much energy. With that being said, let's get in. And good morning, good morning.
Morning.
All right, let's get going.
I think in France they are.
Mount Sima Ski Resort is located 15 kilometers from downtown Whitehorse. The mountain has a peak elevation of 1,035 meters. It offers skiers and snowboarders a 335 meters vertical drop. First founded in 1989 by a group of volunteers called Great Northern White Ski Society, and after years of preparation, it was finally open to the public on the Boxing Day in 1993. Have the whole mountain to ourselves, but we need to say hi to the folks at Mount Sima because they want to give us a lesson on a thing or two about skiing.
Yeah, we've never done skiing before, so wish us luck.
How do you know?
You told me.
Wow. Wow, don't believe in everything guy tells you to. Just advice for girls.
Yeah, definitely. Like, never believe anything he says.
Yeah, it's more of a smooth school question.
Okay, back to signing my life away. Wish us luck today, okay?
After years of financial difficulties in 2010s, the resort is now run by Friends of Mount Sima Society, grew out of a group of dedicated individuals that intend to open their hills for the winter of 2013 to 2014. Today is a full-service ski resort staffed by a team of volunteers and few full-time staff. Including amenities is the ski and snowboard rental shop headed by this good-looking and helpful gentleman, Kyle. They offer great gear at a great price. Having no gear is not an excuse not to come. I don't know if I accomplished that much in my life, but at least I accomplished one thing today. I managed to put on my ski boots all alone without any help. So that's one of my biggest accomplishments.
No, with a little bit of help. Don't kid yourself.
She's just, I can't put up with her. Not knowing how to ski or snowboard is also not an excuse. So guys, bring some coins and let's man up. Mount Sima has a snow school. They offer both group lessons and private classes for ski and snowboarding. The school is headed by the most beautiful and talented instructor, Tasha. You bet my lawyers are drafting my marriage proposal. I'll marry her in a heartbeat because she's very, very talented in finding good pizzas.
Joe's is really good pizza.
Joe's
it's
Pizza.
Wood oven pizza. He used to be up in Dawson, but now he's in Whitehorse.
Okay, we are just about to start our first lesson.
And get ready for a few bumps and falls along the way. You better not laugh at us, or else, once again, we are going to haunt you on Facebook. For real.
Here, and then make sure your heels in the back, and then press down, and then you just want to kind of push yourself up. And if that doesn't work, just take off one ski.
So what Tasha said is I bend a little bit, baby steps,
and then pizza.
and we stop.
Oh, nice, beautiful. And then look up, look at me, and pizza.
Sima is a great spot to learn because it's accessible for everybody. Yeah.
Hi there.
In the recent years, Mount Sima began to make adaptive ski and snowboarding accessible for those with physical, visual, and cognitive impairments. They offer both classes and adaptive equipment for their students at a very affordable price. So, big kudos to their board of directors and staff. I think he is one happy skier. Now, let's get back to our lesson with Tasha.
Beautiful. Looking good.
We are doing it. There you go. And to stop, I do.
Good job, Sarah.
I got to say, although we might not be ready for the next Olympics, we feel pretty accomplished for not embarrassing ourselves too much on camera. Oh yeah, we went all the way up to the top of the mountain and made it down alive. Actually, not really, we went up 100 meters. The beginner's hill or the bunny hill. Not a bad start for us, the newbies. Okay. I might not be ready for the Olympics, but I think I'm getting there.
I just really want to say thank you to Tasha. I never thought I'd be able to ski due to all my injuries, and I'm feeling much more confident than I ever thought I would. So thank you for teaching us. You did a great job.
Awesome, I'm so glad.
Tasha left us feeling good, taught us the basic of ski, and asked what were to get good pizza. But I got a feeling this is not the end of our time at Mount Sima. But for now, we need a good rest.
If you're wondering if you can get a workout even on the bunny hills, look at this. Sweat. So maybe I can lose some of that pandemic weight. Right, Charles?
Yes.
I've got it here. This looks really nice. Charles! Are you having fun?
Absolutely, man.
Are
The good weather. No, maybe not good weather. Oh, somewhat. Winter Whitehorse weather, the classics. And then we come right
Charles, how many times did you fall?
Lost count.
Yeah, but you know what? It's better to fall and learn how to fall properly, like these guys down here. Yeah, are you recording?
Absolutely.
Okay, so Charles and I had a bet the other day and he lost. So his punishment, he's got to lick a piece of metal. We're gonna try it on the top.
Yeah, right.
Unless he chickens out.
She's bullshit. We finally made it up to the top of Mount Sima, and yes, I suggested we should try this trail. But Sarah, oh wow.
No, I'm not actually taking this one. This is for experienced. We just learned the bunny hills today, but maybe one day. Good luck, guys. You're really cool and awesome.
Thank you!
Welcome to the Yukon! Yeah!
We're going to Mount Sima, by the way. Now I know lying is a sin. If you don't know, most television show has multiple scenarios. Our show is no exception. Therefore, I'm going to be honest enough to admit these breathtaking shot of Mount Sima was taken on a previous day when the sky was crystal clear blue. So, let's time travel back to my journey here the first round, and please sit back and enjoy the ride. So, thank you very much. Finally, we are on top of Mount Sima. This is the lift that will bring you up all the way here. So let's check out the actual map of different trails. And I'm really excited. Even if you don't ski or snowboard, you can still get high here. I'm getting high up to the top of Yukon. There's a well-marked trail to the top of the ski slope to a small observation deck. Since there's wild animals, make sure you don't leave any food behind and bring your own trash back with you. With that being said, let's get high for real. Trail, because there's actually an observation point right there. So this is a view that's worth dying, I mean, living for. Check this out. Man, that view is absolutely spectacular up there. You can even come here, even if you don't ski or snowboard, but obviously that's the main attraction here. I think we are inconvenient a lot of their lovely staff today because I keep going up and down. They're stopping me. They are stopping the lift just for me. So yeah, it's a very pleasant experience. Sadly, it is time for us to return the skis. Remember I say our time is not over in Mount Sima? You bet. I suggest you really fuel up right here because there's some serious action coming ahead. If you want to support the people of Ukraine, make sure to grab some of their Kiev fries. They are delicious.